I'm Jonathan Uddlehite, CEO of the Employer Healthcare and Benefits Congress. With travel restrictions and budget cuts, you need to choose your conferences wisely. What makes the Employer Healthcare and Benefits Congress special, and why has our event grown in 5 years to become one of the largest HR and benefit shows in the country?
The networking opportunities were fantastic. It's a great opportunity to meet folks that have similar businesses, different business models, and that exchange of ideas really helps us.
Networking opportunities are really vast here because the environment's proper for it. There's a lot of opportunities to sit and talk one-on-one with folks, interacting with folks in their various booth opportunities as well as at the sessions.
So the networking opportunities were big. They've got a ton of tables set up, so we're able to sit down and have a private area or just engage during the conference break.
It wasn't strictly a broker event. You had employers here as well as the combination of the vendors.
Actually, I've attended a lot of the sessions and been talking to people. I think the sessions are great, by the way.
Thank
D. Eddington, BJ Fogg. Boy, Disney did a great job meeting people in sessions, trading cards.
This conference was just really, really professionally organized, and I know that so often the conferences can provide a lot of sales but not a lot of information, and I really thought that the substance in this conference set it apart.
It's exceeded our expectation. We're hoping to meet a lot of small groups. We met a lot of large groups. We networked with a lot of broker consultants, and the quality of people and the interest is amazing.
If you're in wellness and you want to find out what's going on in this industry from leaders that are making a difference, having a big impact, you want to get here.
Why did our event sell out last year? It's a combination of 3 factors. Our speakers, who are the top national leaders and experts in their industry, our complimentary employer and agent VIP program that brings in hundreds of HR and insurance professionals that otherwise wouldn't attend, and one of the highest attendee to exhibitor ratios in the industry.
Today at our booth, we are already aligned with nationally recognized leaders in the field of wellness, and we have been joined by some of those at the booth today. We had a non-stop stream of people here.
The attendance was great. From our perspective, we had better than 50% attendance, which we thought maybe coming in it would be 20%.
We had direct access through this show to executives, decision makers who handle and manage wellness programs for their companies.
We've never seen anything like this, and we do exhibit a ton of different conferences throughout the year. We found this one to be the best for what we do and the best for this type of wellness market.
There's a lot of employers here at this conference, which was something that we really like, and some of our business development people had noticed that at other conferences that we've attended, there's been more vendors than actual employers.
The knowledge of the speakers that were here at the conference was phenomenal from all aspects, whether it be from brokers or vendors or employers or consultants. It was just an absolute array of information that was really helpful to me.
Great. You're becoming quickly a must-attend type of event, for both brokers, certainly, for consultants, and more importantly for anyone in that industry.
The speakers were truly some of the leaders in the industry. In fact, they had a speaker here who helped draft the Massachusetts law that was the model for the Affordable Care Act. And they had some of the nation's leaders in the consulting and legal industry on the Affordable Care Act. So these people know the ins and outs of the law. They work on it on a day-to-day basis. So they know the questions that their clients are asking, and they know how to cater the material to get you the important information that is really going to be relevant in your day-to-day practice.
I think there's actually been some great content on the healthcare reform specifically. There has been the most in-depth healthcare reform conversation, presentations I've seen in the industry to date.
Are you looking for a specific audience to target for your organization and set yourself apart? How about your own dedicated private presentation, one of our sponsored sessions, or a private networking luncheon or breakfast, where you identify who you want to meet? The Employer Healthcare and Benefits Congress will provide you with a list. You choose, and it's done.
We were interested in this conference and being a sponsor because of the different opportunities that we would have for networking. Also, we had reviewed the attendance list from previous years and thought that the quality and caliber of attendees were the people that we want to meet.
The networking breakfast was phenomenal for us. We had the opportunity to hand select close to 35-40 invitations that we wanted to connect with. And we were amazed that almost 30 or so people responded back that they wanted to connect with us. So it was a great opportunity for us to get our name out and meet with prospects.
And I can tell you when we had a VIP luncheon yesterday, which Tailwind sponsored, just as Bethany said, we really had a wide group of people from various industries and corporations.
Conference participation grows by 15% when events go to Las Vegas. So we're really excited to be in this exotic destination in 2013. To make your experience even more special, we'll be at the famous Caesars Palace on the Las Vegas Strip. With Vegas being the entertainment capital of the world, you will have ample opportunity to take clients to world-renowned shows like Cirque du Soleil, the Blue Man Group, or David Copperfield, or out to famous restaurants like the Emerald City Buffet or Spago. Enjoy the shopping opportunities or just people watching.
So the show in general was fantastic because the entertainment and the excitement around the entire event all week long has been fantastic. I've really enjoyed the musicians that they brought on, and the opportunity to network and eat has been great. Really good food too.
With Vegas, your options are unlimited. Last year, our exhibit hall was sold out, so don't wait. Book your booth today and explore some of the unique sponsorship opportunities available. We'll see you in Vegas.
Las Vegas 2013, here we come.
Going to Vegas, baby.
We'll see you in Las Vegas in 2013.
We'll see you in Las Vegas.
See you in Vegas! Woo!